Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to apply for SoFi credit card. If you don't have a SoFi account, we will put the link in the description below for you to sign up, and get $25 after signing up and adding at least $10 to your account within 5 days. However, if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the Credit Card tab. On this tab, you will see a button that says Apply Now. Click on Apply Now. Now you will be directed to this page from which all the necessary information are automatically entered. Review all the information to make sure that all are correct. But if you wish to make some changes, click on the Edit button beside the information you would like to change. Then if everything looks good, click on Next. Before you proceed, you will be asked about your housing expenses to know if this stack up with your income. Enter it on the housing cost field, then click on Next. Lastly, read the SoFi credit card terms and conditions. After reading, click on the tick box beside I have read, understood, and consent to the SoFi credit card terms and conditions. Then click on the Submit Application button. That's how you apply for SoFi credit card. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.